Hello and welcome to Business Performance Associates Arabic for Beginners training course. This is the first lesson in the series and the focus of the lesson is the Arabic alphabet. The objectives for this lesson include reading and writing the alphabet letters, recognizing places of the letters in the word, understanding accents, or as it's referred to in Arabic, tashkil, on letters and how they change their pronunciation, combining letters to form words, and training on how to read, hear, and pronounce some words. The lesson includes three distinct sections: grammar or qawaid, reading and writing, qira'a wa kitaba, and vocabulary, which is mufradat. So let's learn some basics in grammar. There are 29 letters in the Arabic alphabet, including the Hamza. In some old references, the Hamza is combined with the Alif and they refer to only 28 letters. Each letter has an accent or a vocalization that dictates its sound. To illustrate this, we're using the letter Ba with the most common accent. The letter Ba with a fatha would sound like Ba. The letter Ba with a dhamma would sound as Bu. The letter Ba with a kasra sounds like Bi. Here's the letter Ba with a sukoon, which it's basically a silent letter, so it's B. And lastly, the letter Ba with a shadda. The shadda basically doubles the letter. So the first letter takes a sukoon, and the second letter takes whatever on the shadda. To give an example here, Ba has shadda and a fatha, so that's equal to Ba with a sukoon and Ba with a fatha. So Ba with a shadda and a fatha on it would sound like Ba. And there's of course shadda with a dhamma and a shadda with a kasra. Think of fatha, dhamma, and kasra as short vowels. So the fatha would sound like a, as in the a in set. The dhamma would sound like the u in the word put, and the kasra would sound like an e in the word get. In Arabic, there are three vowels. There are the alif, the waw, and the ya. The alif would sound like a double A or a. The waw would sound like a double O or an OU, and it would sound like oo. And the ya would sound like a double E as E. Note that for these vowels to act as vowels, there's two conditions. The letter itself has to have a sukoon on it, and the letter prior to it would have to have a corresponding short vowel. So for the alif, the letter before it needs to have a fatha. The dhamma would need the waw would need a dhamma to be placed on the letter before it, and the ya would need to have a kasra on the letter prior to it. There are no capitalization of letters in Arabic. Writing is from right to left as indicated by the arrow. There's only one way of writing in Arabic, so it makes it easier than some other languages. In reading, syllables in Arabic are also easy to be recognized because they are defined by the sukoon. So here's to illustrate this, we use the word nama, which means slept, and you can see the sukoon on the letter alif. So, and there's a fatha on the letter before it, so it is a vowel in this case, and it's pronounced as na-ma. Here's the two syllables, na-ma. And when you read it, of course, you do not emphasize the syllable as much, and you read it as nama. Letters take different shapes depending on their place within the word, the start, the middle, and the ending of the word. It is important to note that there are 6 letters do not connect to the letter after them, and that is alif, dal, val, ra, zai, and the letter waw. And we will elaborate on this in later sections. Here's some comparisons of the English and Arabic letters. For the letter A, there's the letter alif or a in Arabic. For the letter B, there's the ba or ba with a fatha. Letter C has no comparable letter in Arabic. The letter D has the letter dal in Arabic, or da, with this, as it sounds with a fatha. The letter E has the letter ya in Arabic. The letter F has the letter fa in Arabic. The letter G, as in gone, has no comparable letter in Arabic. The letter H has the letter ha in Arabic. For the letter I, as in fire, there's no comparable letter in Arabic. Sometimes the kasra is used to indicate its sound in some words. The letter J has the letter jim in Arabic. The letter K has the kaf. The letter L has the lam. The letter M has the mim. The letter N has the noon. The letter O here as a vowel would be the letter waw in Arabic as oo. The letter P has no comparable letter in Arabic. Q is close to qaf but not exactly, and we'll explain the sound of that later. Letter R has the letter ra in Arabic. S has the sin. T has the ta. U, as in mute, has no comparable letter in Arabic. Sometimes a short vowel is used to substitute in some cases. The letter V has also no comparable letter in Arabic. W, as a letter, not as a vowel here, has the waw in Arabic. X have nothing in Arabic. to compare to. The Y in some cases, as in yellow, it will here not as a vowel, would have a letter ya, again not as a vowel. The letter Z or Z has a letter Zai in Arabic. There are some other sounds in English that have comparable letters in Arabic, and I've used here the fatha on all of these sounds to indicate the letter or in association with the letters to give you the examples. TH, when it's combined to have the sound tha as in thank, we would have a letter in Arabic as the tha, or here with the fatha as tha. The th when combined to have the sound as the as in thus would have the letter the in Arabic. There's a letter ha in Arabic, and the closest combination of letter would be H and an H and an A combined. So I do not really recommend to focus on these combination of sounds in English, but to focus on the actual Arabic letters and their sounds and how they form the words. So I will mention these sounds in order here. Ha. Again, ha. The second letter is kha. Again, kha. The third letter is sha. And this is when in English you combine the S and the H together. The fourth letter is sa. And it's a little more amplified than the sin or the S in English. So it's not sa, it's sa. Again, there's a letter la, which is an amplified form of da. Again, this is la. This is ta, which is an amplified form of ta, or the ta or the t. This is la. The letter after that is ah, and the sound comes from the end of the throat here. The letter after that is ra. And the last letter is, we talked about it, is close to Q, but it's not exactly, it's qa. Again, it comes from the throat.